Hi, how are you doing? This is the 2017 Tacoma. This is the TRD off-road edition. I actually have two of them just alike. One's a 4x4, one's a 4x2. They're both TRD off-roads in the quicksand color. Beautiful vehicle. Has the alloy rims, the step bars. Beautiful vehicle. These are double cabs. I don't have the access cab in it, but I do have the double cab. These are TRD off-roads. Beautiful. Do have other colors available. Hi, I'm Charles. Hope to meet you soon. Give me a call, text, or email. Let's set up an appointment for you to come test drive and take one of these beautiful trucks home. I look forward to meeting you. Thank you. Talk to you soon.